Good morning, children. In the last class we have learned different types of leaves and structure of leaf. Yes, today we'll learn the remaining part of this lesson. Children, there are two types of leaves. One is simple leaf and second one is compound leaf. Simple leaves have one leaf blade and it is attached to the stem of the plant. Simple leaf has only one leaf blade, okay, whereas the compound leaf has two or more than two leaf blades, and these leaf blades are attached to the common central stalk. They are attached to the common central stalk, and that central stalk is attached to the stem of the plant, and the single leaf is called a compound leaf. In that means there are many leaf blades in single leaf which are attached to the central stalk, and this type of leaf is called compound leaf. And in compound leaf, each leaf blade is called leaflet. There are many leaf blades. You can see the second image, compound leaf. You can see there many leaf blades, and these leaf blade, each leaf blade is called leaflet. Leaflet it is called, and simple leaf has only one leaf blade. The leaf blade is also called leaflet in compound leaf. Children, there is one activity for you all in the page number 16, and the activity is take one leaf and draw the diagram of upper side and lower side of the leaf. You have to draw the upper side of leaf and also draw the diagram of lower side of the leaf, and observe both the sides of the leaf and what difference you can find in both the sides of the leaves. You have to find out. You can see the difference in upper side and lower side of the leaf when you observe the leaf. Yes, you can see upper side is waxier and it is more thicker. The surface is more thicker and it is waxier. The upper side of the leaf is waxier and has thicker surface than the underside or lower side of the leaf, and this waxier and thicker upper surface help to reduce the water loss during hot sun. Children, as the upper side always faces the sun, the upper side of the leaf always faces the sun, so the sun's heat absorbs the water and evaporation of water takes place in that upper side of the leaf, but the waxy coat reduces the amount of water loss. It reduces the evaporation of water. And on the lower side or underside of the leaf, there are many small tiny openings, and these tiny openings are called as stomata. Yes, this we have learnt in 3rd standard. Yes, and stomata help the plant to breathe. Yes, and these stomata can open and close also. Stomata of the plant will close when it is very hot, and it reduces the amount of water loss from the plant. It also help to reduce the evaporation of water from the plant. Stomata help the plant to breathing also, and also it reduces the evaporation of water from the plant. And children, we know that plants are called producers. They are the only source of food for us. Plants produce food by the process of photosynthesis. Yes, photo means light and synthesis means put together. In photosynthesis, plants use water, sunlight, carbon dioxide and nutrients and minerals. Yes, water and nutrients are absorbed from the soil through the roots and sunlight, and sunlight and carbon dioxide is absorbed by the leaf of the plant. See here, water and nutrients or minerals are absorbed from the soil through the roots, and sunlight and carbon dioxide is absorbed by the leaf of the plant. and carbon dioxide is absorbed by stomata present in the leaf, and chlorophyll present in the leaves absorb energy from the sun and they prepare energy rich food in the form of sugar. They prepare the food using all these things: sunlight, oxygen, carbon dioxide, water and minerals, and they prepare the energy rich food in the form of sugar. They prepare the food in the form of sugar, and this food is used by themselves also to grow and also to other living things. The extra food present in the plants is converted into starch, and this food is stored in the different parts of the plant like roots, leaf, stem. Yes. Now children, read the lesson and complete the activities given. If you have any doubt, please do ask. Okay. Thank you.